You see my sister them? Me used to sell killer mice. Me kill palm bed, me kill under bed anyway. Think take blood test, don't give result. My sister ring bell your ears and I don't go to church. Come make me organize and kill them out. One rat chop kill 12 rat. 24 time what one time, so come make me organize and kill them out now. One man alone can organize 1,000. So we gonna fix the market.
Nevi, what's up?
Nevi, morning.
What going with you, Mas Neville?
Fight too.
Where you fight?
Good fight.
You have one big piece of yam there, though. You look like you see if yam for you.
You know, say this man a man, say you have a give me.
One man bring you a piece of yam?
Yeah, turn off your radio for me, sir.
So you sit down in the hot sun.
With that look out for me, I say.
You look out for me? You get a message this morning?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you don't go head down the road?
No, sir, I never say.
Oh. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle. That's Marcel down there. So I am behind the camera this morning, and of course, you know, Mas Nevi. So this is Sunday morning and we're visiting Mas Nevi. So we sent him a message this morning. Say him not to leave.
I know say my road man, you know.
Yeah, I know say for me never. I nothing still so me say me that I still go there but when the brother come.
Yes.
Tell me now, me say we not worry, you know.
So you not worry, you don't know where I come about.
Me know say from now come and catch something for me.
Oh, I read with too much, you know.
Me know say now come and catch nothing for me, man. I never do that yet.
Yeah.
All the while no come make something.
So that's why we say you not to leave.
Yes, no. You can't take it serious, I know Mr. Phil from me not like him.
Oh wow. The Mas Nevi just called me name.
Mr. Phil.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
He called it good a while ago though.
Mr. Phil. Yeah, say me for call. Can't remember your name, you.
Thank you.
You can't forget me.
Hi. Thank you, Mas Nevi. God bless you.
Yes.
So guys, Mas Nevi get yam and he give it to me. You sure? So we are gonna eat.
So you inky so me not get none.
Me get it. You get somebody cook.
Mas Nevi, you have to get piece limit.
I cut in a two.
You know, can I hear me like?
Why soft yam?
Yes, our black race.
Oh.
But them they know are only for me. You see, they put them on fire, so
Yeah.
you can't make. I take up a fire, so you put them, you know. If you want to turn like say when you come on here, you can't take it on anybody.
How it tough.
Yes, you want.
That I bossy and Mas Nevi attack.
Wrongly.
No, that the wrong.
The same one.
Yes, I said one. A man just can't come give me.
Yeah.
That you know say we are come man.
Yeah,
Carry cow.
cola my dong so.
Oh.
If you go take up some yam and you see the person in capital, come give me.
Hi, Sally, morning.
Where I said Dana.
Morning. How are you?
Morning, Maslep.
Morning, Miss Dan.
How are you, Maslep?
Not too bad.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Yes, everyone, if you okay, you would come look to him.
I tell my person just run past, you know.
She shout your
I
door.
was afraid of you.
So you went to church yesterday, Mas Nevi?
Yes, that
Morning.
That now left me out, you know.
Yeah.
Better you be at work, if I tell you, see that the boss, I know so about. As some is find out, better you go hear the word of God.
Yes.
Once you don't hear it, and hear it, you know.
True.
When I feel okay. The means of life, that's a song. Here we have out, you know. Now that we are out.
Yep. Alright, so we bring you some stuff, Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am, we will.
Marcella get them from the car.
Why did you say how come last week?
Couldn't come last in the week.
Yeah, in the week.
Yeah, in the week. Just never get to make it in the week at all.
Yeah.
So
About that son, man.
Yes, sir. And I cement a hard up, man. It's cement.
they not hard up. Once they not wet.
I not use it.
That no one to do.
You go use it?
Yes.
Where you go use it though?
sell and buy food.
Oh, you sell and buy food? And also you use cement. You better lift the cement. So your stick, Mas Nevi, why you walk without your stick?
Okay.
Turn now, turn. No, next way.
Watch it.
No. So how you reach up here, so?
I run out some used to walk. But I run out a little bit.
Oh, this you walk?
Yes, I run
You take the long way.
Yeah.
Your foot.
Yes.
You reach. You reach, Mas Nevi, you reach.
Not so easy.
Yeah.
Time get dread now, miss. Dread everybody. I don't know, so
Everybody a ball.
I give God thanks.
Yeah, we have to. We have to. Things and time get harder for
Harder,
real.
man. What?
Price is up.
Everything.
Gas up. Everything is up.
Everything.
Yeah.
You know, up till now, let him get to the stove. I say, yesterday I bought the stove, I say, boy, look like say, really, I just don't know.
Yeah, look on the stove yesterday.
I shake it on, but I really look like say, I just don't know.
All right, so you done for now.
Still go back for now.
All right.
Right, water, me that drink for brother, my Frida.
Drinking water.
No, what's up? I'm going to do it. My Frida, can't just put
So, Marcel, tell Mas Nevi where you're carrying the
Mas
fee.
Nevi, this is water. You say you don't have.
Yes, sir.
You can't drink your tobacco and you want to drink it.
So where your cup, Mas Nevi?
Yeah, drink it.
Drink your water, man. You.
That's man. Give me a cup.
Aye. Let me see him drinking water. Him wanna drink water. So suppose somebody come beg you somewhere, we are going to give them.
Send them out a drum.
Tell him, see what to do with it.
Hi, sir.
So Mas Nevi, we get up 4 o'clock every morning, you know? Look at this.
Yes, sir. Me know, master. Me wonder how you manage it, master God.
I wonder.
Yes, you have to be careful.
How will that happen?
Work every day is not a good thing. If you rest one day.
Yeah, furious, not true?
One day no most. You
Which
think
day you rest?
any day you feel like.
Which day you rest?
You don't know which day me rest already.
No?
Mas Nevi, you rest every day.
No, sir. No rest every day for until you see it up if I walk up and down.
So we get up before daylight.
Yeah.
And we make sure, say,
Yeah.
we bring a hot meal.
Yes, sir. Good.
So we carry your Sunday dinner.
Right, you can't put them for me, just drink down some tea.
No, man, if your belly full, give me it, man. I mean, come here hungry.
Hold
What do you know?
on.
And you are hold on pan the food.
Papa, you are over me.
Eh?
Me say, when I go come here, I might be me now got little time, and I have to go, you know, and I some coffee me drink.
You drink coffee?
Yes, sir. So me now want nothing now for right now till I the more.
The thing say you're easy, Mas Nevi. It's not that easy, man, you know.
All right, Mas Nevi, put down those and come back.
Yeah, from my guy they come call me, you know.
Who?
I tell me so now come, you know. Me say,
Rope.
me say, boy.
Yes, because me call him. Me never know saying phone really work, but it worked this morning. So we call him and tell him to come.
Yeah.
Tell us say enough to go anywhere. We
Yes,
soon
sir,
come.
tell me say a phone calling.
So we get up and cook early because I think I just a little after 9 now.
After 9 now. Yeah.
So
So I
we
said, man, you cook.
yes, so we could have bring you one cooked meal. So
Yes, man. God
I mean,
bless
no
you,
say
man.
stove now work.
Now work, Miss B.
Yeah.
For you.
Just a wait little pan Marcel come and carry some things from the car.
Yes, man. Now work.
So like one vehicle.
So like one vehicle come up? We're not in the road though.
No, no, road.
Oh.
Mas Nevi,
Yes, sir.
we carry your chimney.
Well, that, then,
Beside toilet.
oh,
You remember last time when we come?
yes, man.
The hardware never delivered, so we collect it and we carry it to come leave it. So
you
until
have to use it till you install, you know.
No, I'm never use it and so it could work so. Will ever work so.
all right, so Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's the vehicle you heard.
Sure.
Let me see what it is. If it's a truck or a...
You can't pass. See, Bamboo drop off my yacht.
Bamboo drop off. Hi, morning. How you doing? Morning. A good thing, so we say your bamboo drop off, morning. Hey, morning. Good thing, so we say your bamboo for. Say a good thing, so we say your bamboo drop off, you'd lose it. All right. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir, good morning. Yes, sir.
Mas everywhere, wait for Marcel, him gone back the car out of the road so the truck can pass here.
Yes, sir. You know, me must always carry, you know. But I better tell me, say, I can't change, so everything change over.
Yeah, everything changed. Because sometimes, in times where you know normally have a lot of rain,
Yes, ma'am.
you're having rain,
Yes.
and then you know it kind of switch around.
Yes. Couple days well, no, we don't get no rain. And the sun turn up.
You have water in your drum, them though.
Yes, man.
Okay, good.
My water not too dumb.
Yes.
No, that's how I take so I wash out my sheet them also.
Yeah, well you have 2 drums over there, so
Yes,
with water.
water.
Alright, so Mas Nevi, I put the toilet somewhere in the house so you can have it. So you just store it until we're ready for it.
If I not use it.
No, you can't use it.
Yeah, so you're not using it.
Alright. I'll put in the one corner there.
Yeah.
Good man, right this one.
Alright, so Mas Nevi,
Yeah.
we bring you this morning a stove. Your sister reached out. Yes. And she sent money and said that we should buy a stove. So we bought this stove and then we buy groceries
Yes, for me.
with the rest of the money. Yeah.
Yeah.
So see this stove here, so Marcel.
Yeah, install it right now.
Yes, man. I don't know. Oh, me I tell you, say, boy.
And with the groceries, they will carry the box.
To me, I use the wood for me, I get darker.
Okay, so Marcel, I'm going to install the stove for you here, Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we brought your groceries in this box here.
Yeah.
Right? And then groceries in another bag. That's the bag on it.
Oh, this, well, I don't understand what I'm going. Oh, this has to left hand.
So the groceries in the box, Mas Nevi,
Yes,
is from your sister along with the stove. You
Yeah,
hear?
yes, ma'am.
And then the bag on top of the box now, these are some items, cooking oil, flour, what again in there? Some tin food and so on.
Yeah.
They were sent by a lady from England by the name of Marie.
Yes, ma'am.
And so you have a box in your hand there, that's a flashlight that she sent. It's a solar
Marie,
flashlight. Huh?
Flying van.
Yes.
Anyway, man, Mr. Earl daughter.
Me no know. Well,
I don't know.
I think it's a different Marie.
Oh, Mr. Earl, I want that and name already there in England, you know.
Oh, okay. No, I know she. It's a different
So a flashlight, not
person.
this one?
Yes, a solar flashlight.
Oh, cool.
All right.
Yes,
So I think that is it. So we want to say thanks to
Thank you,
everyone
yes,
who
ma'am.
has
God bless
donated.
you, ma'am.
Thanks to your sister and
Yeah.
thanks to Marie out of England.
Yeah.
So see the stove there, Marcella, install it.
I think so like you want to come, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I hit the camera then.
Yes, yes, man. I hit the
You
camera.
go back there, change it.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So guys, the last time we came and Marcel checked the stove because Mas Nevi had said the stove, no, the gas finished.
Yeah.
But when we came, that lizard out of there and jumped down from the settee. You see, Marcel? See me, so. Why? And him a come for we wait too.
I said, you hear this one, they attack over already, they say, well, lizard in the house.
Oh, gee.
I will tell the lizard, come. And him. So this is what?
That is look like a little USB to charge it. So if you had current, maybe you could charge it. Lizard, come out, you're too out of order.
Yeah, for a house lizard.
Oh boy. Alright guys, so like I was saying the last time we came, Mas Nevi had said the gas finished, but it wasn't the gas, the stove was giving some trouble. But Marcel managed to turn on one side and it lit while we were here. However, after that, Mas Nevi you say, no, turn on at all.
I don't know, go and so I put on the pot so it never cook.
Pot never cook when we leave.
No, man.
Never fi cook one.
Right. So Mas Nevi's sister reached out to us because I think you sent her a message, Mas Nevi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so she get the message and she reached out to us and send the money. So we buy the stove and we bought your groceries.
Yeah.
So you have your bread, your oats, your lasco, everything that you normally.
Yeah.
Right. So thanks to everyone. God bless you richly. And so that's why we end up here on a Sunday morning.
Yes, ma'am.
So Mas Nevi can have his stove.
Yeah.
Or then put the burner under the goes on the bottom. Hold it. This one never have none of these, not true.
Yeah.
You did have it?
So one drop off there, sir.
Oh.
None of them come in. I put the pot.
This one rotten out bad. This one rotten out really bad.
The two of them too. The one up right up have rotten out too, you know.
Yeah. All right.
That depends, just sound like no gas no in there.
Well, you left it on and I was done.
You did left on?
Yes, but me not smell the gas like that one.
So yes, it must have finished.
Yes, ma'am.
But I don't think it could have finished so quick.
You're not supposed to.
You just get this gas in the Mas Nevi.
The stove, the left on and the gas. The pot.
Euro. Oh Lord.
I say they up an experiment on the stove.
You have to be careful, Mas Nevi, if you make sure say stove turn off when you turn it on, yeah?
But you in all light, you know.
Yeah. But even so.
Oh, me the one who said that basic, me the one who said when it's not burning that basic gas still in.
Yeah, man, I guess so. And you have to be careful because if you light matches or anything,
It
it
blaze
will
it up.
ignite, yes. Well, you try to turn that on. Let me show you.
Turn on and on, so I'm not out the door.
Yes.
Why?
Maybe have to walk later now.
You have to walk late.
I got church all night.
Oh, okay. We soon show you if you operate that, Mas Nevi.
Me know if my sister there in your covering.
If she's here?
Yes, ma'am.
She not here, she overseas. Must never give matches. The matches must never. Or the lighter.
It's supposed to light and then you are in our gas.
What's it?
How much is it?
I said let the gas done, man.
Turn on the light one.
Oh no.
Oh Jesus.
But I mean they were and I think we didn't turn on.
There's no gas.
I guess
Or
man.
not come up yet.
I guess man. When I tell me say they have to do that one same way too.
So it was left on because when we come the last time, gas did there.
You always check it. I guess. I still feel heavy.
No man, it's a gas pan. Where's the lift, you know?
I just want to feel heavy, miss. Just want to feel heavy. When you stop people, gas in the most light.
Gas in there.
I'm gonna find out that what caused that.
You smell it too. Yep. Smell it and hear it.
Regulator. I'm not sure if this yet.
Maybe the regulator never going good.
No, maybe it would.
Oh boy.
Glucose. I find a long time there. So Mr. Green. Mr. Green there, man. I finished stuff to be at work.
The regulator, you don't look like a good mass Nevi.
Regulator problem now.
Because the gas pan heavy.
Gas pan, it's a heavy gas pan.
But I wonder if you sure regulator not change? You sure somebody not change it?
Me know, Miss Remember, so me, you know, I glucose when put on connect it back here. So. I when this time ended, then we make it when I Mr. Green.
Oh.
If anything no other him, you know, if I hit him, I use around there.
You're going to need one regulator, Mass Nevi. Look like a type problem. We could try again and see.
I Fisher tell me something no do it too. I can regulate or do it.
Somebody tell you already?
Yes, no.
That's why I leave on and you know smell it.
Yeah, because
Yes.
you should, but even when you turn that now, you should hear it.
Yeah, for me I say, you know how me not smell the gas. First time he used to there, I just turn on and say you smell the gas. You know?
And you left on.
It now work. Uh-oh. It's a good thing we cook and bring to your car. I've gone outside again today. Alright. That's how they wagon, round head one. Must everywhere focus if you get your own regulator here.
Yes, ma'am.
So you still can use the stove.
Yeah, what can they want to show them?
Just buy a round head one.
But we not them show us every gas in there too.
Gas in there. Marcel, check your gas in there. Alright. Alright guys, so that's the story. The stove can light. The gas is here, stove is here, now is the regulator giving trouble, so we'll have to get replaced. That's so Mass Nevi can get to use the stove. Alright, so just want to use the opportunity again to say thanks to everyone. Mass Nevi,
yes,
send big ups to your sister.
Thank you, sister. You know that help me.
Yes.
And you cause me now make sense to me and you have it in now tell me no man.
Yes.
That's faithful sister that.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so God bless your
God
sister,
bless you,
Mass Nevi's sister. God bless you richly.
Yes,
and big up also to Marie out of England. And as usual, we thank everyone who has contributed and has been contributing to Mass Nevi over the period from the time we have been coming here up to now. And you know, may God bless you. Oh boy. May God richly bless you, and we appreciate your effort. And next time Mass Nevi will come up, I hope that alright, Marcel?
Junk.
Mass Nevi have alcohol in here, you smell?
See like that.
Oh boy. Alright, so next time Mass Nevi, I don't know, but we'll work on getting, because we were to come before to continue, well, because the ceiling bed up, so we're supposed to come back with Even, but Even was engaged on the day when we had planned to come. So we have to make a new date now to come back. Alright, but in the meantime, we will look for the regulator and see if we can get it to you.
Don't much you be so I don't want for you know.
Mass Watson?
Yes, sir.
Mass Watson, this one.
It's a hose.
Hose and clamper coming in back to the stove. Back the old one, so you can put up this.
Yes, sir.
So put it up and then.
So when we come, you can find it.
Yes, man, I go put in the barrel.
And we can't throw out the box yet coming on if it's over work. Keep it. I may just say that, I don't know.
Well, you know if it's a real.
Well. Alright guys.
What I show you box?
Yeah, throw away, not true?
Where I keep it for?
I'm saving enough space for it anyways. Why, the stove box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You can put all clothes in it too?
Clothes, you don't need no clothes. No, you can't put clothes in that.
Look like you think I'm a big box.
The regulator can't go in it.
You think I'm going to that about me?
And the regulator.
The flat.
The regulator can't go in it too. Yeah, man.
And the regulator that in I would.
It was, yes, man. Yeah, man. So, and you should have made them give you a thing there, you know.
What?
The receipt for it though.
For the stove?
Yeah.
How you talk about me?
If you carry it back if in an hour?
Yeah.
If you're not working, I pack up wood pan and light and wood fire.
For some of them, since some me yet very you know, someone sell us it now and was no good, you know, after they might have water for your fault and all that.
It'll work, man. It'll work. Alright, so bye everyone. Until next time, we thank you so much for making it Likkle Everyting Jamaican.
See me a sweat?
Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Yes, man, bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Blessings.
You want it?
The old one.
Yeah, try it.
You want it too? Yeah, do it. Yeah?
One part I good for work, you know.
So what you want it for?
Go want it.
Where do with the Mass Nevi? You have to throw away.
Next time you want stove, you get one 4-burner stove with oven.
Oh,
So you can bake your pone.
yes, man.
You can bake
Almost.
They can bake.
You can't bake a potato pudding.
Yeah.
Me used to cook, you know. But I do everything, man. I take me do everything, man.
So I make you stop cook now.
So me I cook still, but me say how me used to cook, you know.
Yeah, you know, do them extensive cooking there again.
How me used to pack all pit and all this in there. Pack pit and...
You used to pack pits?
Yes, man. Then man come from England and came go to Montego Bay. Walk out the guest house and dig foundation and pit.
You used to get around to Mass Nevi.
Most all man come from all a watch. Man come from town go watch go do pit.
Yeah.
That trade man. And how me use all half soul shoes. And me I do everything. I know. Joke, man.
So I go on with you now.
I can't get the medication never.
Which medication you can get?
They mean I say me could have get medication a mandel, but you know what you mean have no body to pick up it, you know.
Which one? The one for the pressure?
The eye. Me nothing got.
Oh, your eye drops to pick up a Mandeville?
Yes, man.
Oh.
It help when I get it?
You know when my eyes so dark. You know, do much good, you know. Then say that's he could say, they might say if you're blind, he can't drop in your eyes.
If who even blind?
Anybody have it.
So yeah, say you, not me at all.
What's that? That's what people have. Me used to, me don't know if you remember Mr. Graham. And the top side is Nancy there. And me used to let Mr. Graham blind.
You used to train nigga for him too?
And like lamp him at night and the time I live up at the yard. Every night time I go, you think I could tell me the man God must bless me.
You know, must bless you, but him bless you.
He bless me for all this brother over so his daddy name is Rupi. Then live on this. And every night, every evening, I make a dinner go give him. And you see better than come back and know me.
I used to cook food, carry go give him?
Miss Nancy.
Oh, Miss Nancy cook it and give you, bring it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
As we did him, I spray over this one, see come spray the yard.
Yeah?
See spray the whole up there so.
Yeah.
And come spray down there so.
Oh.
So I go to live after you.
Yeah. Alright, Miss Nevi. I think there's some painkiller for you, some ibuprofen that the lady sent. The one from England?
Yes, man, give it, man, but me say me hand here so.
Mass Nevi,
Oh, I'm here.
pill you want it?
Lord Jesus. Me have the alcohol on the so with the net me and I kill me, you know. And me go pull off, you know, and the night me and the cock jump off.
That's right.
I know me can't find the cock now, I make so much that way. Me have to go down and go buy alcohol.
Drop outside?
In the house, the cock.
So what the alcohol there?
It was too big, that's why it lasts.
The alcohol, they so. But you know, no.
You know good because, you know.
The cock, no, the
Yeah,
pipe.
I'll see me find the cock.
No, sir, you not go find the cock.
That means
See
you're
here.
not in a house.
See, there's something here, Miss Nevi. Ibuprofen, a painkiller. Let me see how you take this thing before me give you. Yeah. Hold on. Effective pain relief. 28. Okay, so adults, the elderly, and the children over 12 years.
Do not that I'm children.
It's a, you never hear elderly too. It's a adults, the elderly, and children over 12 years. So take 1 or 2 tablets with water, with or after food, followed by 1 or 2 tablets every 4 hours if necessary, up to 3 times a day. All right, so it's 2. You can take 1 or 2 tablets, Miss Nevi. Now if you take 2, you can take 1.
1.
Yeah, but if
I feel pain now?
Oh, but you say pain, man, at night time.
at night time you feel it here.
2 hands.
Here we go. Stretch out. Here.
So I pill them.
Yes.
A pain pill, you know?
Yes,
So not take if you nothing else.
Yes, you know, 2 1.
If your hand are hot, you say hand.
Yes, you know, say
take a pill.
take a pill. Yes,
If I head, you say head and take a pill.
Yes, and sometimes
Foot, say foot and take a pill. If you just take it, so you're not going to push back.
So what is yours?
it would be headache, you.
Yes, yes.
So,
But you have to tell it which part you want if you go where.
so sometimes of me, they have me appear to in the pill.
So Mas Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
she sent this as well. In ferroglobin liquid,
What's cool medicine?
gentle iron, natural source, 14 minerals and nutrients.
So how me did so sick?
It's a for tiredness and fatigue is iron.
You're not tired, kind of walk.
I said to get work me do power there.
Walk tired, you're not work.
I tell you that I want
Tired, so.
I call them jog me down. Me say me should have get some money for what the place there. Chop up on
Adults, men and women, 1 teaspoonful 2 times daily. Okay. So you feel tired, Mas Nevi?
Yes, man.
No, you never tell me say you feel tired until you hear say you have iron
Then
something.
I can't tell you for sometime you think I can me do miss? How me used to do that?
Never look how long you stop work.
I know
Look
long
how
time.
long you stop
I know
work.
long time I stop work.
No.
I remember so when Mr. Earl me used to work in last time.
Look how long time the man did it.
No, sir. Around 2 years. When Mr. Earl dead, me still a work. Still a work. Me used to dig all the whole for Yamil and bill all the and all
Yes,
the
but you're supposed to rest.
So this is no miss. Annual, this is coming. Me have to take it by medicine like spoonful.
Yeah, it's a 2 teaspoonful.
That's when I come.
Let me look on it again and tell you. I don't remember. Let me just see. Where they? Hold on. Must have it on the box upside down. Right here. Marcel, you want to read this?
And sometimes
Where did I find that information a while ago? Okay, see it here. Alright, so adults, 1 teaspoonful, 2 times daily. So just 1 teaspoon, Mas Nevi.
yes, ma'am. Can't take it anytime.
2 times, huh?
You say whether you eat or not, you can't take it.
You really need to say nothing about food, it just say.
Then office give you food ready.
Yes.
So no food no come with it, say that.
Alright.
Ah, here we go.
Yes, so thanks.
Alright, and then now, tired eyes. She sent one Optrex. Says eye drops. She say, well,
That you want one.
Mas Nevi.
I said there's water in the bottle, not in the bottle water.
It's a tired eyes. Let me see what is this. And this is multi-action eye wash. Multi-action eye
No
wash.
sweet, you know, like when you sick with your man.
Mas Nevi, this says.
It's not sweet like when you sick with the eye.
No sweet, you.
Oh, when you sick with the eye.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's one of the worst things in life, that man.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I say no, miss.
It's a refreshing eye drops. I don't see no other instruction pan is all done. Just say for tired eyes. And this one say the big bottle one is 2 bottle, one tiny one like a regular eye drops bottle size.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one, and it's a tired eyes. But the other one now says multi-action eye wash.
Yeah.
Irritated, sensitive, gritty, tired, itchy, uncomfortable eyes. Cleanses and soothes and refreshes. So these are the eye drops.
Yes, me have to beg my sister in time I send her money to send eye drops to me.
Oh, okay.
Yes, man.
And this is the bigger one that they say is for wash.
Just have to wash my eye.
Yes.
So I can't just squeeze them in and wash my eye. Really.
What? Hold on, I don't know. Make me look on this.
But yeah, it's the hard germs, you know, man. So I have to wash up your hand clean.
You drop in your eye, that's how you do it.
Cleanse. Yeah.
Just drop in the eye.
Yeah, it make that way.
Wash your face.
Yeah, it have that little part on it. Let me see it myself. Where I think you just drop it, you know, if you put it in your hand. Oh. Yeah, see there?
Drop it.
I drop it if you drop it.
Yes, man. God bless them. This is for yourself, oh boy.
Yeah.
Bless them. Why sometimes I'm to your talk, boy, I tell you, say, God really good. Provide. I will send this another, you know.
Yes, man. The same lady from England, Marie.
Wow, they not how him know, sister.
Watch you, she watch you.
I say, man.
She follow you and stalk you.
Yes, it's good. When me say me know I'm worried, man. What are they talk about, you know? I'm Mr. Earl daughter, you know.
But I know this one is a different one.
Yes, but I'm worried when I'm Mr. Earl daughter.
Lord have mercy.
England people.
Okay.
So, me talk so many a Willowdin man. Me look at Willowdin, the whole of Willowdin we did it to Derek Chang. And Derek Chang go over England and take the house. Like how you had the photographer.
Yeah.
And build up 3 houses and send it over there and come over there. And must be we build house or Willowdin tail. And you see when they come out here, if I drink what you want from them, you're dead.
Willowdin a Spanish town.
Yes, man. How we ask them, I tell them, man, Willowdin I want to pass St. John's Road again in some city.
Yeah.
They are Spanish town.
Yes, man. Know me yet, man.
No, you yet.
No, man. But all of them the host there. All of them the host and scheme the party. Also Bratty on St. John's Road me work with.
And you build them?
I don't build them, but me work with the firm. Yeah, work with the firm.
That's why I host them firm.
Yes. Willowdin get a be England people, no? Be England from Mr. Derek Chang. Take the photograph them. And carry them go to England and show the people them.
Yeah.
And then come out here and buy the house and build the house. But then they don't cheap a bit. They never then the house in house still.
Yeah.
The house is a good house and then cheap then days. Cheap. But no, build one of them the house, you know, one of them more with the master for the one house, you know. They can build one room.
Yeah.
To fill in them. England people.
You look like you want trim now.
Yes, for some I consider say how many answer you know how me go manage.
But it's not that bad. But you could yeah.
You know so bad.
You have to lucky first.
Yeah, me I say
Ras up here and make on cut it.
me I say look like you know what happened. I mean I feel like first time again.
Actually you're not paying me, that's why you're not getting trim. Cut to the fair trim you're free to reply me.
Tell the people them. Tell my sister you tell him too.
And you want to tell her?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, man, she will pay you, man.
Yeah.
She will pay me. I tell her say she good.
And you have to pay me. I'm going to trim you and your sister.
Do you know say if me did have me pay you?
You better have it next time. Next time I cut your hair, go halfway and tell us if you pay me.
Yes, you forget pay.
And if you can't pay me, I left you same way.
You forget pay, man. That's for your eyesight. Eyesight.
That's a superstition. Not go so yeah.
Eyesight.
You know that. You must know then maybe I trim you so trim free. Problem with
You see my sister them? Me used to sell killer mite. Me kill palm bed, me kill under bed anyway. Think take blood test, don't get result. Mosquito ring bell of your ears and I don't go to church. Come make me organize and kill them out. One rat chap kill 12 rat. And 24 time what one time. So come make me organize and kill them out now. One man alone can organize 1,000. So we gotta fix it the market. Come now, kill a man, come man. Kill palm bed, kill under bed anyway. Take result and don't give result. Mosquito ring bell of your days and night and don't go to church. So come make we organize and kill them out, man. One man alone. When one man come, say one man alone can organize, man. Come make you all the way organize and kill them out, man. Lord Jesus. That's why you see my sister they love me know that tell me about I said one man come used to their town man and that tell me to get have one place over there side of the road and the man rent one shop over there so I give me no.
Yeah.
I mean have everything over the rat shop beers clip as my sister you see I said the clip up every year we have in here man. The clip up that's why you see when I go to school
Pretty.
Nah, Jesus. Love me so much. Love me kill a mite man, me kill palm bed, me kill under bed anyway. Chingo take blood test and no give result. Mosquito ring bell of your ears and night and don't go to church. So come make me organize and kill them.
And you make up them the something last day.
When me girl a Christian, You mad, we see people around me, one rat trap catch 12 rat, and you them mice. Everybody wants to see that rat trap.
One rat trap kill 12 rats and 11 mice.
Everybody around me, man. December, that come from. You see the man who man.
Pastor, you really make me laugh this morning. You never know, say you used to do this.
Yes,
Something was heavy.
There was next sister, you know. My sister, she near me, she there for it. I tell she come to Jamaica, he want to know when me start more kilometer, you know. He like me here, me 6 kilometers, man. 7 kilometers, me say, think take blood test, man. Give result, man. Mosquito ring bell, you use and I don't go. You laugh.
You give me pain in my throat.
It's easy, man.
Yes, boss, every one rat trap kill 12
rat and 11 mice.
So you used to see people used to gravitate towards you.
Nah, gee, man, they fall ring around me, man. You know how hard we sell?
Yeah? Was heavy. Laugh until he cry.
Let me go Christian market. Balaclava. They walk on the road, man. And I sell. Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here clip, man. And you see me put the clip all of my sister them here, man. Every one of them, man.
Yeah.
The hearing of me clip up it. They was what they're good, man. What?
Yes.
Pretty.
Yes, man.
Oh boy, that's interesting.
People say, my family, they love me, how me love them. But, me don't see how they love me like how me love them. So.
Yeah.
But when we talk about love,
Yeah.
love is the greatest.
Absolutely. All right, Mas Nevi.
Yes, man.
I forget David to come sing. Love is the answer, love is the real.
Mas Nevi don't know David.
You so know him.
Yeah. So I'm glad for the job.
Yeah. All right, Mas Nevi.
Yes, man.
So we have to go see if we get to again later.
Yes, so, and if you could have get it for the week, yeah.
Yeah,
We'll try.
Yes, man. If you can come in the day, and I want.
Come in the night?
Yes. The time in the morning. For you find Likkle time, for me, but so good that you have put on you.
Yeah. All right, so once again, guys, bye.
Bye.
And thank you as usual for your continued support.
Yeah, maybe you turn her back ready.
Oh, Max, if you turn on back here ready.
Yes, sir.
All right, me turn on if you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, blessed love, everyone.
Blessed love of
Bye,
God.
take care.
God
If you try to
provide,
find
man.
Mas
God
Nevi
bless
ready
you,
or
man.
not.
I'm not you. Turn it around.
Okay.
Angela.
All right, that's you, Mas Nevi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my general, pick up yourself.
Yes, sir. God bless you. God bless you, man.
Covenant Community Church.